Goa, it was inevitable that all I would do is infuse flavors from my hometown in a very modern Goan take. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we create magic with crabs on toast. Very new age in the making, but keeping it true to the essence of Goa. This is clearly an explosion or medley of flavors. I'm going to infuse the crab meat with the heart of Goa through scents coming together with garlic and butter, along with a very Goan-styled avocado salsa, some arugula lettuce atop a perfect toast. Into my cast iron pan goes in nearly 50 grams of salted butter, and into that we're going to infuse it with about 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. As we allow the garlic to burnish and brown slightly, into this goes nearly 12 bird-eye chilies, just to give out those specks of heat but hold their true essence. As you see the garlic browning and the chilies blistering slightly, in goes about 300 grams of crab meat. Just boil your crabs and remove the meat out, and that's the perfect way to indulge in this creation. Now these are sharp flavors that need to be toned down slightly, and you tone it down with some spring onions. So about 4 spring onions just finely shriveled up and cut, and you just allow all this to toss together. A quick seasoning with some celery sea salt, just to accentuate it and take it to the next level. Bursting with flavor is the need of the hour, so garnish this with an overload of coriander leaves finely chopped up, nearly 2 tablespoons full, and switch off the flame. Allow all the flavors to macerate with each other. Creating this avocado salsa is really simple. Run a knife all around it, halve it, and just scoop it out into a bowl. We're going to mash it any case, so don't be alarmed with what you do. 2 avocados going in because we all love this very new age salsa created. Splash in nearly 10 ml of Goan vinegar so that it doesn't turn black, and just enjoy bruising it up. We're going to infuse this with 2 tomatoes diced up, just going in. Watch out for spice, 2 whole green chilies going right in here. 4 spring onions finely shredded going in. You want to give this some herby goodness, and that comes together with some finely chopped cilantro or the local coriander leaves. Lastly, nearly 20 to 30 ml of extra virgin olive oil, and your avocado salsa. All it needs is to mix up and enjoy. This is as chunky as it can get. Go right ahead and season it with your salt of choice. I'm using celery sea salt. And you're ready to dive into the most scrumptious of crab on toast. Now while I'm a great aficionado of toast, I like to keep it more in a DIY kind of way. Carbs, fiber, some good fat, and lastly some protein. Build your own toast and build it right. Dainty quenelle of crab's butter garlic settles right on top. Now ain't this a very modern Goan take to a simple classic redefined, yet keeping it true to the essence of Goa. I hope you enjoyed creating this starry wonder with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.